warning for northeastern Bay County in
That
Florida,
scared me.
northwestern Gulf County in Florida, western Calhoun County in Florida,
Oh shoot!
Gulf County in Florida, western Calhoun County in Florida, southeastern Washington County in Florida. Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 miles north of Ray to 9 miles east of Caraway, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles.
Better. You bet. Oh fine.
Source radar indicated. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Nixon, Betts, Moose Pond, Fountain, Singer Road, Saunders, Bayou George, Camp Flowers, Camp Head, Gainer Spring, Cedar Lake, Bennett, Youngstown,
Oh, 120.
Hero, Killard, Porter.
Looks like reception has improved.
Contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in
Oh, I decoded it correctly. That's interesting.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Calhoun, Florida.